Hi, what's up, Polygon coin holders? What's going on this time, my friends? Polygon price is increasing now, so that's really great news for all Polygon holders, my friend. Because after a very long time, my friends, Polygon will starting pumping up, and every day my viewers, my subscriber ask me to when the huge pump is coming soon of Polygon. So today, congratulations, my brothers, to Polygon price will increase and the huge pump is coming soon, coming now, my friends. Everybody know this, so the price will be increasing when a market cap is increasing, right? All right, so this time, my friends, the market cap is very urgently, very fastly increasing, so therefore, my friends, you will need now to hold, because my brothers, when a holder are starting investing, then the market cap is increasing. And urgently, my friend, this especially short-term investor are starting investing, so therefore, when a short-term investor are starting investing, then the price will pump up, but when they are starting selling, then the price will very badly goes down. So therefore, I will notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to please hold down and don't starting selling. Otherwise, if you are starting selling, then remember, my brothers, my subscriber, you will never get a profit and you are very badly falls down. So this is my personal advice for all my viewers, my subscriber, to please hold down and don't starting selling. Polygon is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, everybody know this, and I am 100% sure to Polygon will give you a very huge profit. So see you next time. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And one thing more, my friends, to in upcoming time the very huge pump is coming soon, but for that you will need, my friends, to be active in every time, how in night and day, every time, my friend, you will need to be active, and then I am 100% sure you will get a profit. All right, see you next time. Please holders, for more videos, subscribe this channel, and yes, press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.